A very good morning class. I am Anjali Gupta. Class 7. Yesterday we have completed our chapter number 13, that was branding and positioning. Now moving towards the next chapter, today we are gonna study chapter number 14, body languages. And this chapter is on page number 28. From page number 28 to page number 31. Okay. And as you can see in your books also, in this chapter, body languages, there is nothing to be filled in the book. There is no exercise to be filled in the book. So, for starting this chapter, we have to understand various body languages, body postures. Okay, there are certain positive body languages and certain negative body languages. Whatever action we do, it tells us about our body languages. It can be in a positive way or also in a negative way. So for that I am going to focus this chapter on video on the book, and so that you can see the pictures and understand it correctly. Okay, now let's get started with the book. In this chapter, body languages, first of all it is saying that body language is the easiest part that can be read. Okay, it is a form of non-verbal communication. What is non-verbal communication? Non-verbal means the source of communication. Communication means जिससे हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं without speaking anything, without saying anything, बिना किसी से बोले एक दूसरे को अपने बात को समझाना, वो होता है non-verbal communication. It is about using behavior to communicate. Both people and animal use this form of communication. Not only people but also animal use this form of communication. When we try to tell anyone what we need, what we want, then we use this body languages. हमें अपनी बात को कन्वे करना बिना कुछ बोले. The form of behavior used in body language include body posture, gesture, facial expression, eye movement. ये क्या है? ये various type के बॉडी बिहेवियर हैं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज के बिहेवियर्स हैं, फॉर्म्स हैं. ओके, बॉडी पोस्चर मतलब हम किस पोजीशन में कैसे बैठे हुए हैं, कैसे खड़े हैं. जेस्चर मतलब कोई एक्शन करना, मूवमेंट करना, हैंड का, फेस का या फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन करना. फेस से हम जैसे आईब्रोज जो है उससे या आई से कोई एक्शन करते हैं. आई मूवमेंट क्या होता है? देख के, कहीं देख के बताना, बिना स्पीक किए, बिना बोले, बिना बात किए समझाना. ये होता है क्या? बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस. इस बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस जो होते हैं वो वेरियस टाइप्स के होते हैं. इट कैन बी पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड नेगेटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज. तो फर्स्ट लेट अस स्टडी व्हाट इज पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस. Positive body language signal interest in another person and in the conversation. The first positive body language is it's a relaxed posture. You can see it in the picture also. The person is very comfortably seated and relaxed breathing. Okay. And the second one is arm relaxed. When we uncrossed arms and hands open, it shows the arm relaxed posture. Now the third one is good eye contact. Looking in the other person's eyes, particularly when they are speaking, indicates interest in that person. Okay. Now the fourth one is, here you can see in the picture, nodding agreement. Nodding agreement means when we move our head. When nods are used to punctuate key things the other person has said, they signal agreement, interest and understanding. When we move our head up and down to show that we agree with that thing, we have interest, we have understood that thing, that is nodding. Okay. Now fifth is taking notes. Taking notes shows interest. It shows interest and involvement, particularly if notes are on what the person is saying. सपोज क्लास में जब पढ़ाया जाता है, आप अगर सुन रहे हो ध्यान से और आपको लगे कि ये बात याद रखनी है तो इसका हम नोट्स लिख लेते हैं ना. दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज. नाउ स्माइलिंग इज वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन. इट सिग्नल्स अ वार्म पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप. इट शोज दैट यू आर हैप्पी टू नो द आंसर, टू कम्युनिकेट विद अदर पर्सन. सेवेंथ वन इज लिसनिंग क्लोजर. Reducing the distance between two people, particularly when the other person is speaking, indicates interest is up and barrier is down. Means you are interested in talking with that other person if you are listening it by coming closer to that person. And the eighth one is gesturing warmly. Talking with friends, particularly with palm open, indicates involvement in the conversation and openness to the other person. When we talk with our friends or relatives or close person by using our palms, hands, that shows that we are understanding what they are saying. Now, in the page number 30, in this page, there is written negative body languages. Okay. First one is body tense, stiffness, wrinkled brows, jerky motion, hand clasped in front palm. These indicates the body tense gesture. Okay. You can see it in the picture also. Arms folded in front creates a barrier, can explain resistance what is being said. Means you are not so interested in talking or conversation. This body posture shows that. Okay. Now the third one is hand on face. A hand over your one's mouth is a closed gesture. Means you are not interested in talking or listening or in communication or out of boredom. Boredom means bore होते हैं जब तब हम ऐसा position रखते हैं. Fidgeting. Fourth one is moving around a lot, playing with things or drumming fingers are usually a sign of boredom, nervousness or impatience. Okay, out of boredom we draw something on the paper, we try to move our hand, we play with pens or something. This is the sign of fidgeting. The fifth one is arms behind hand, leaning back. In a well-established relationship, this can be relaxed gesture. In a new relationship, it is often used to express a desire or control of power. If you have a well-established relationship, means you are very comfortable with the other person and you are showing this gesture, it means that you are in a relaxed position. Otherwise, if you are new to that person and you are keeping your arms behind your head, leaning back, this is not a positive gesture. This is a negative gesture. Okay. किसी पुराने लोगों के साथ रहते हैं तो वो पॉजिटिव जेस्चर कहलाता है, अदरवाइज वो क्या होता है, एक नेगेटिव जेस्चर शो करता है. नाउ द सिक्स्थ इज यॉर्निंग. यॉर्निंग मीन्स अदर पर्सन आपसे बात कर रहा है और आपको नींद आ रही है, ऐसा होता है. बोर्डम, कंफ्यूजन, अदर पर्सन टॉकिंग टू मच इन टू मच टेक्निकल डिटेल्स, देन यू स्टार्ट टू फील बोर, है ना. नाउ द सेवेंथ वन इज इम्पेशेंस. इम्पेशेंस, trying to interrupt what the other person is saying, opening one's mouth frequently if to speak, that is impatience. Means आपको जल्दी है किसी बात की, impatient हो आप, है ना. तो ये भी एक negative body language कहलाता है. Now the eighth one is distraction. Eyes flicking about, blank stares, through books without really reading it. This is what distraction. When suppose करो जब टीचर क्लास में पढ़ाते हैं और आप इधर उधर देखने लगते हो, बुक में नहीं सुनते हो, मैम की बात नहीं सुनते हो, सर की बात नहीं सुनते हो, तो वो एक डिस्ट्रैक्शन का होता है, वो नेगेटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज शो करता है. क्लियर. द नाइन्थ वन इज लीनिंग अवे. लीनिंग अवे, अवॉइडिंग फ्रॉम मूविंग क्लोजर. किसी के पास आके बैठ के उसकी बात सुनने से का ऑपोजिट है लीनिंग अवे, मतलब उससे दूर भागना. व्हेन समवन इज हेडेड टू द पर्सन इज स्ट्रांगली नेगेटिव. किसी से दूर भागना, ये क्या होता है, ये नेगेटिव जेस्चर होता है. ठीक है. इसके अलावा नेगेटिव फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस कुछ होते हैं. दीज इंक्लूड शेकिंग हेड्स, आई नैरोड, स्क्रॉलिंग, फ्रोनिंग. ये कैसे जेस्चर्स हैं, ये नेगेटिव जेस्चर्स हैं. क्लियर हुआ. Now these are the some body languages that we have studied in this chapter. Body languages, some positive body languages and some negative body languages. Please go through the chapter very carefully. You have your book, read the chapter and try to understand each and every language. And if you have any query regarding this, ask it in the doubt session. Okay class? And you do not have to fill anything in this chapter in the book. Thank you.